guys, it's Chris Venegas with NM Home Deals.
And Sahar Saidi.
We're looking to expand our team out. So you already know we're a top producing team in the Albuquerque Metro for real estate. We're looking to grow and help train new agents or experienced agents that want to expand and get to that next level where they're already at now. There's a lot of ways to grow and learn. And a lot of times in real estate, you may have too many things going at you. We're a top team and we could be surrounded around top producing brokers that can walk you through and give you hands-on experience and training that you need.
Yes, we would definitely love to hear from you. We are at Keller Williams. We do have a lot of resources to us and to those people that would like to join our team. Great training, great manuals. Of course, like Chris said, right, you would be working directly with me, Chris, Steven, and everyone else on our team. So if you guys are looking for a change or, at the beginning of the year, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to answer any questions that you guys have.
Yeah, if you're looking to step up and get to the next level in your real estate career, hit us up.